Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to explain about question 4 and then 5. So for the 4a, to get the x-intercepts of y, which is x1 and x2, I use the quadratic formula of minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So for the x1, I use the formula but with the plus here. And then for the x2, I use the same formula but with this time with negative 1. Alright, so for the 4b, this time we have to invert the form to Vadas form. So the first value is coefficient, which is 2, and then the second value is, I use the formula b by 2a, which is here. And then for the third value, I use the formula which is c minus b squared by 4a. So for the values that I use, ABC, I use the values from the stat sections here, A, B, and C. Alright, so for the 5, in the 5A, the trial and error method shows the blue target car faces downward. Mathematically, this means the coefficient A must be negative to invert the parabola. For the B, I use the matrix method to get the accurate values. So for the first one, y is at 0, 16.5, and then second point is 2, 18.672, and then the third value is 4, 16.198, which is from here. So when we type those into and then I set up the matrix A and the matrix B, and then we get the value here. I use the Excel formula of matrix, and then when we type those ABC into these sections, we will get the orange curve similarly to the curve blue curve. I will show, and I will just type the decimal, like 2 decimal places, so that we can go faster. Here is minus 0.58, and the second one is 2.25, and then the third one is 16.5. Right, here we can see the orange curve is similarly to the curve blue curve. So this is the end of my video, and then thank you for